The Roman Empire's vast reach, spanning continents and centuries, was not just a political and military feat, it was also an architectural phenomenon. Roman structures, some of which have stood for over 2,000 years, are testaments to the ingenuity, ambition, and technical prowess of their builders. Their enduring legacy continues to influence modern architecture, engineering, and urban planning. How did they achieve such lasting greatness, and what lessons can we still learn from them today? 1. The Roman Arch, a revolutionary design. One of the most significant contributions of Roman architecture is the true arch. The Romans perfected this design, creating structures that were not only aesthetically pleasing, but also incredibly durable and strong. Unlike earlier civilizations that used post and lintel construction, the arch allowed for the distribution of weight more evenly, enabling the construction of larger and more complex structures. Examples of the Roman arch in action. Aqueducts. The Pont du Gard in France is a striking example of Roman ingenuity. Its series of arches supported a water channel that transported fresh water over long distances, a feat that revolutionized urban life. Triumphal Arches. The Arch of Titus in Rome commemorates military victories and showcases the grandeur and symbolism embedded in Roman architecture. Modern influence. The concept of the arch remains essential in today's engineering, seen in bridges, tunnels, and even grand train stations like New York's Penn Station. Its adaptability and strength make it a staple in construction worldwide, providing both structural integrity and visual appeal. 2. The mastery of concrete. Building to last. The Romans not only invented concrete, but also refined it to create one of the most durable building materials in history. Their secret ingredient? Pozzolana, a volcanic ash that, when mixed with lime and water, created a hydraulic cement capable of setting underwater and withstanding harsh conditions. A testament to durability. The Pantheon. Built around 126 AD, the Pantheon's dome remains the largest unreinforced concrete dome in the world. Its oculus, a central opening at the dome's peak, allows natural light to illuminate the space, creating a sense of divine presence and engineering marvel. Modern implications. Roman concrete has outlasted many modern materials. Researchers today study its composition to create more sustainable and durable construction methods, especially in coastal and flood-prone areas. The ancient formula could revolutionize the modern construction industry by reducing carbon footprints and increasing longevity. 3. Domes and vaults. Engineering feats ahead of their time. The Romans were pioneers in creating vast, open interior spaces using domes and vaults. These architectural elements allowed for buildings that were both functional and awe-inspiring. Key example: the Pantheon's dome. A masterpiece of engineering, the dome's gradated thickness and use of lighter materials near the top ensure stability. The symmetry and proportions of the Pantheon continue to inspire architects globally. Influence on modern architecture. Many iconic structures, such as the U.S. Capitol and the Basilica of St. Peter in Vatican City, draw inspiration from Roman domes. Modern sports arenas, convention centers, and even mosques utilize similar principles to create large, unobstructed spaces, combining functionality with grandeur. 4. Roman aqueducts and infrastructure. Life-sustaining innovations. Roman aqueducts were a game-changer for urban development. They allowed for a reliable and clean water supply, essential for the health and growth of cities. The ingenuity lay in their ability to maintain a gentle gradient over long distances, ensuring a steady flow of water without modern pumps. Notable aqueducts. Aqua Appia. The first Roman aqueduct, built in 312 BC, set the stage for future projects. Segovia Aqueduct. Located in Spain, this structure remains one of the best preserved examples of Roman engineering. Modern influence. Today's water management systems owe much to Roman designs. Concepts such as gravity-fed pipelines, reservoirs, and water distribution networks have their roots in Roman aqueducts. Their emphasis on resource management and infrastructure planning continues to guide urban development. 5. Roads and urban planning. Connecting an empire. All roads lead to Rome wasn't just a saying, it was a reality. Roman roads were a marvel of engineering, providing vital connections across the vast empire. These roads were meticulously constructed with layers of stone and drainage systems, ensuring durability and usability in all weather conditions. Construction methods. Layers of stone. A multi-layer approach provided strength and drainage. Milestones and signage. Roman roads featured mile markers and rest stops, making them user-friendly. Enduring legacy. Modern highways and road networks draw heavily from Roman designs. Urban planning concepts, such as grid layouts, zoning, and centralized city hubs, also trace back to Roman innovations. Their systematic approach laid the groundwork for efficient and organized urban living. 6. Iconic structures that continue to inspire. Several Roman buildings have achieved legendary status, not only for their grandeur, but also for their innovative designs and lasting impact. The Colosseum, a masterpiece of design and function. Purpose: built for public spectacles and gladiatorial contests, the Colosseum could hold up to 50,000 spectators. Its design, including a complex system of elevators and trapdoors, was ahead of its time. Modern influence. Today's sports stadiums often mirror the Colosseum's tiered seating and crowd management techniques. Innovations such as retractable roofs and multi-purpose arenas owe much to Roman ingenuity. Roman theaters and amphitheaters. Roman theaters were designed with remarkable attention to acoustics and visibility. Their semicircular layouts ensured that sound could travel clearly to the audience, even in large open-air settings. Modern performance spaces, from opera houses to outdoor amphitheaters, continue to emulate these principles. 7. Sustainability and environmental considerations. The Romans demonstrated a remarkable understanding of sustainability. They often built with local materials, reducing the environmental impact of transportation. Their aqueducts provided clean water while minimizing waste, and their road networks encouraged efficient trade and communication across the empire. Environmental practices. Use of renewable resources. Roman baths utilized natural hot springs, showcasing their ability to harness renewable energy sources. Efficient urban design. Roman cities featured centralized forums, public baths, and well-planned residential areas, reducing congestion and improving quality of life. Lessons from modern times. In an era of climate change and resource depletion, the Roman focus on durability, efficiency, and local sourcing provides a model for sustainable construction and urban planning. 8. Roman philosophy of design, blending form and function. The Romans believed that architecture should be both functional and beautiful. This philosophy is evident in their structures, which seamlessly combine utility with artistic expression. Key principles: proportion and symmetry. Inspired by Greek architecture, Romans emphasized harmony in their designs. Integration of art, from intricate mosaics to towering statues, Roman buildings often incorporated art to celebrate culture, history, and religion. Cultural significance. Buildings like the Pantheon and the Colosseum were not just functional spaces, but also symbols of Roman identity and power. Their ability to evoke awe and reverence has left a lasting cultural legacy. 9. The legacy of Vitruvius, a timeless guide. The Roman architect Vitruvius outlined the core principles of architecture in his treatise De Architecture. His ideas on order, arrangement, symmetry, and economy continue to influence architects and urban planners. Vitruvius's 3 tenets. Firmidaz, durability. Buildings should be robust and long-lasting. Utilidaz, utility. Structures should serve a practical purpose. Venustas, beauty. Aesthetic appeal is essential for human enjoyment and inspiration. 10. Bathhouses and public spaces. Centers of community life. Roman bathhouses were more than just places to bathe. They were social and cultural hubs. These complexes often included libraries, gyms, and gardens, fostering community interaction. Example: the Baths of Caracalla, one of the largest and most impressive Roman bathhouses, featuring extensive facilities and ornate decorations. Legacy. The concept of public spaces for relaxation and recreation continues today in community centers, public pools, and parks. That was all about today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.